What the fuck going on, bruh? So we got the homies whip in here today again. After the header install, the homie did a couple modifications to the whip. We got a fucking H5 now and some cats. This bitch ass couldn't live with the smell, so cats. And then we're over here trying to fix this now because that shit ain't clamping, bro. It's all loose. Cute. Oh, janky. But yeah, man, we're gonna fix that and we're gonna give you guys a couple sound clips of this car and a comparison of my other boy's car that's pulling up right now with the X pipes and a sport exhaust. So yeah, stay tuned. Stupid monkey, bro.
But you're a little hot though.
So what's your game plan, bro?
Game plan is we're gonna have to pull this out and clean the anti-seize off.
Are you gonna remove like just that bend? Or are you gonna drop this too?
Now we have to push this out, which we got space. Push it out so this can come up.
Like you want me to push it away or what?
Yeah, it's almost out. It already came out some by itself on the free.
Dude, your X-eyes are gonna be out.
Cute.
Cute. Cute ass thing, bro.
Over unclamped it. Fuck it.
Came out?
Yeah.
Right here.
You have it on
My cat. Dude. How are you gonna clean that shit? With a cloth?
Oh, get one in my truck.
There he is, right.
Bro, I'm telling you. No, it's fine.
Dude. DT500?
DT5.
Let's get into debts. Crazy debts.
God damn.
What have it's a lot?
Yeah.
Hopefully that's what was fucking it up, bro.
Better be.
That's some age, bro. That's some age.
I'm blaming Conrad.
And then when he comes, bro.
Well, the Conrad's your fault, bro. Fucking Conrad.
Valve exhaust. Cute.
What's more?
The Steeda springs on the whip too. Here. Oh, hold that shit.
Is it straight in? Like the length?
Like right there.
God damn, bro, the fucking accident.
Oh, I see what bolt was touching.
You see it?
Yeah.
I didn't tighten it all the way, just make sure. Now we
Still
gotta
moves,
adjust it. We gotta adjust it.
Oh, okay, because I was gonna say it still moves, bro.
Yeah, no, I didn't tighten it. Now we gotta measure it. That was actually perfect.
Yeah. It's not down, bro. Alright, now let's look good now. There you go.
Easy fix.
Easy fucking holler, bro. Hey, the car
can't fix it in our ghetto mechanic shop.
Low key though. Got that ghetto no more, dog. We're not working in asphalt.
That is true.
There you go. Now drive it off.
Drive it off like that?
Yeah, cute. You're gonna destroy your whole bumper. Fucking Honda though. Where's Colorado, bro?
I told you, bro, it was gonna be easy.
Get you guys in Toronto clothes though, cause fucking lame ass food. What the going on, bro? Damn, with the All Saints on and everything. Damn, bro. And the new fucking fitted hat. What up, my boy? I see the fit.
Loki, I was gonna call you and I was gonna like, hey, let me see if you can hear me from down the street.
He heard you.
Oh, really?
Downshift, yeah.
Oh my god.
He was like, oh, I heard something high pitched. Alright, bro. We're ready.
Oh, you
We
ready?
already fixed the shit.
Let me see it. Oh, let me see it.
We're just waiting on you, dog.
Yeah, we didn't even start it up, bro. We were just waiting for you.
Oh my god.
For the startup, bro. Come on now. Car H5, cats, extremes. Is it with the valves open right now or sport mode?
Yeah,
or something?
okay with the valve.
Valves open.
I got it, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a double H5. Looks crazy. Running needs to upgrade the weight.
When I was in there, I was like, yeah.
Low key though, I would have been like, damn, bro, Pandem kit, damn, bro. I think maybe because he's riding it too high, maybe. I don't know. This doesn't look that good. But yeah, man. Hey. Hey, man. Bro, with the Pandem kit airlift and everything. Ew.
If we stop here, I mean, that's what the U.S. agriculture's right there.
They gotta call the cops on you, bro, and get you deported, my boy. Oh,
There's a car coming. Ah, there's a car coming. I'll move. Or, oh, you go ahead, move.
That was nicer, bro.
Thanks,
bro.
Yeah.
Good move, bro. That's your OP, bro. I be forgetting how OP this shit is.
Yeah, it's here. I'll spell it for you. Yeah. It's
Famous guy. He's famous.
CUHNRAD.
He's famous.
Yeah. It's Conrad. Yeah. You found it? Oh, we live in the area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we're doing some clips for my homie's YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
What, so,
We're not gonna give him promo.
I found it.
Damn, he's got a signal.
I barely got signal up here, but I found it.
No,
Yeah.
I hope your YouTube channel gets out there, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate that, brother.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make it out, bro.
Yeah. Alright, well,
What's your YouTube channel?
It's Henry Whips.
Henry Whips?
Yeah. Yeah? Seriously?
if you have it, like,
Nah, I just post like Mustang content usually because that's what we have, you know.
yeah, he has a Mustang too, but he wanted to take some sound clips because both of our cars are on headers, but his is on an H pipe and mine is just on a double X pipe with Kooks headers.
The black
Yeah, that's my shit. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. That's cool. You're in the valley or?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
honestly, bro, I barely go. It's down the street from my house. Yeah.
We'll probably hit it up.
Yeah, we'll probably go.
Yeah.
If you do, then we'll probably see you there. Oh, really?
Oh, that's cool.
Well, then,
Hell yeah, bro.
We'll probably, if you want to meet up, we can cruise together there.
Love that, bro.
Hell yeah. For sure,
no worries,
brother.
bro. I
Hell
appreciate
yeah.
All right, man.
Alright, for
Take it
sure.
easy.
Take
Nice
care,
seeing
brother.
you.
Hell yeah. Cool, peep. He has a Genesis. Yeah. What going on? What going on, bro? Little scenic area with the whips now. Gotta get a little bit of sound clips. But I guess we could give a little overview of the whips. So we got the homies. We got the homies S650 right here. What the hell is wrong with my gimbal, bro? Alright.
You have to figure out the sweet spot.
That's what I was telling you. He has to play with the throttle a little bit. So we got my boys SS50 fully loaded. Custom build, right? I guess, cause how would you say it?
What do you mean,
Like you ordered it to your liking, I
it's a
guess.
special build.
So special build, I guess. He ordered it. He's done a little bit of mods. You got the Steeda springs with the what splitter is this, or the RTR splitter? Steeda springs. He blocked out the side markers. Pretty clean setup with the wheel spacers, so no wheel gaps and shit. Looks clean with the Corsa's Extremes. He has the black tips with the valve exhaust. With Kooks headers 1/7/8. You're gonna see that video or my past video. And yeah, so we're gonna get a little bit of revs out of this bitch. See how it goes.
I would.
Huh?
Nobody out here.
Do it with the remote, yeah. I say let's get an idle clip right now. And then do like 2K, 4K, and then maybe not red line if you don't want to, but you could do like, yeah, so just do it pretty high though. Oh, it's because it's warming up?
No, you gotta take it in the service, dog. Really?
Oh, you had to give it a minute. Oh, the fucking screen. That's how you don't get an S650, bruh. Here you go again, bruh. See what happens? Let's see.
God damn.
Hey, can't you change it just with the
There you go. All right. Oh shit.
Yeah.
All right, do sport. All right, now do track. Tickles your ear, for sure.
That's track? That's track?
That's track mode? Damn. That shit tickles your ear, dude. Now you okay.
But the rack is gone.
Yeah, no more RAS. Wow, sounds way better with the double H. Before he had the double X with the freaking extremes. Hella loud. Alright, that's good. You're good. Turn it off now. And now to the S550. Technically, pretty much some same cars. Same setup from headers, but except the cat bag is different. So he has also Kooks 1/7/8 headers. My boy's on the drag pack. Probably seen the car before. If you're new, then you know. But my boy got the B-lock welds. And yeah, he has a lower two. I think you're on Steeda springs, the same as Alan, right? And what kind of lip do you have?
Honestly, I don't even know.
It's the MMR, no?
To be honest, dog, it was a gift, so I don't even know. I was looking at the lip before, but then I was gifted it, and then I just put it on and never took it off. But everybody runs the same lip.
Yeah, very nice lip. I think I think it's an MMR, but I'm not sure. But whatever it is, they'll for sure know how to find it. But yeah, my boy got just these mods right now. Exhaust mods, Kooks 178, double X pipe to Corsa Sport mufflers. So we're gonna get some sound clips on this bitch. Oh, and I forgot, right? The carbon fiber trunk. It's all right.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Let's get a little bit of, this one's a little more toned down, as you can hear it. Not valved. This is just idle right now. It's not bad. Do the same, take it like to 2K, then 4K, and then wherever you're comfortable. If you don't want to redline, don't redline it. Hey. All right, ready? What? You're gonna what?
4K.
Okay, you're gonna take it all the way just to 4K? All right, then for sure. And there you go. That shit's pretty loud, I'm not gonna lie too. You know what though? What do you guys think between this? It sounds, I'm not gonna lie, doesn't sound as raspy like I thought.
I'm telling you. The
It,
sports was the way
I
to
think
go.
it helped it because it sort of matches this noise.
Yeah.
I feel like it's not, when you had the double X, bro, that thing was too raspy, bro. It was like whiny, like holy shit.
It's bad.
But you know what? It doesn't sound bad.
There's a car coming.
Nah, is it a moto or a car?
It better not be a
Nah, I don't think so. It wouldn't sound like that. But it sounds fast. Yeah. If I go quick, bro. That boy's zooming.
All right, guys. What up? It's Conrad taking over the footage for this quick sound test from up here. The homie's gonna go down this hill all the way over there and to see how loud this car is, just to see the difference between the extremes on callus headers, but with the valve exhaust and the 8 double H pipe, and then with mine on the sports and the double X pipe, no valves.
Here you go again.
Here we go again, just taking it over, buddy. She sounds clean. I'll be stupid on the road.
He's stupid, man. I'll be loud, that's all.
Damn, you can hear that shit all the way over here. Damn. Damn, that shit echoes all the way over here. See, there's the mic car. Alright. There's a point of view for the homies YouTube channel. Kidding, I don't think I can. Yeah, so I'll meet you guys down there.
You come down.
This is already kind of. Shit loud. I don't know where he's gonna bust a bitch though.
What is here
Dang. Alright, so we're at this closed location where we don't even have phone service, so my boy's gonna give him the go with the rev, with the Corsas. Alright, rev it. Go! Alright. That joint is loud, bro. You can hear it. Oh no, it is. Oh, it's playing on slow-mo. I need to change that shit.
The car broke down, guys. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. No, knock on wood. No, knock on wood. Knock on plastic and shit, bro. Imagine this shit, bro.
Imagine your camera.
Hey, relax, bro. Relax.
I have to put my hitch and pull you out of here.
Imagine pulling me out of here, bro. You see two Stangs, one hauling the other. Like, what the fudge happened? Oh, man. I hear a bike coming. Imagine if it was a Ducati dog. Or like a Kawasaki or some shit.
Oh, that'd be sick. Why the fuck is it?
Alright guys, we're just here reviewing the video, the footage, but we're pretty much done here. That's 650 versus S550.
Who won, bro? Who won?
I don't know. Let the comment sections decide who has the better exhaust.
Damn.
But yeah.
Who won, bro?
I don't know. Let me see.
Don't be scared. Just tell him.
This is a basic car, so I think
That's crazy, bro. Crazy, bro.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
But
it worked.
Damn,
I'm pretty sure this guy will do his outro in a second, but unless we see something else happen, but that's pretty much it.
Let's hear it. Let's see. Yeah, you can stop it.